Again. 7 mushrooms plus 1 mushroom equal 8 mushrooms. 7 mushrooms plus 2 mushrooms equal 9 mushrooms. 7 mushrooms plus 3 mushrooms equal 10 mushrooms. 7 mushrooms plus 4 mushrooms equal 11 mushrooms. 7 mushrooms plus 5 mushrooms equal 12 mushrooms. 7 mushrooms plus 6 mushrooms equal 13 mushrooms. 7 mushrooms plus 7 mushrooms equal 14 mushrooms. 7 mushrooms plus 8 mushrooms equal 15 mushrooms. 7 mushrooms plus 9 mushrooms equal 16 mushrooms. Let's repeat, guys. 7 plus 1 equal 8. 7 plus 2 equal 9. 7 plus 3 equal 10. 7 plus 4 equal 11. 7 plus 5 equal 12. 7 plus 6 equal 13. 7 plus 7 equal 14. 7 plus 8 equal 15. 7 plus 9 equal 16. Good job, guys. Please subscribe my channel.